What did we just do?
Just bought a caravan.
We just bought a caravan and we have no idea about caravans.
Nothing. No, nothing.
I think it was 7 days ago we were like, let's just get a caravan. And we just bought it. There it is over there. There she is. Frankie. What are we doing?
I don't know.
Hey friends, we're Tom and Tahnee, and this is our 1976 caravan, Frankie. We have been living in South Australia for the last year after our 2020 travel plans, just like everyone else, fell through. We have recently decided to create a tiny house on wheels in the hopes that we may find adventure in our own backyard. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy following along with our journey.
They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun. Whoa, lie in the sun. Now I've been to many places and won so many races. I was a child, yeah. But now my only win is now, and my only wear is when I'm by your side. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on laughing. They're knocking on my door, but
So it's been a second since we filmed anything last. You'll notice there's already a frame built for the kitchen cabinets. That'll make a bit more sense later on, but yeah, mostly we wanted to get that in to fill out the space. So that's why that's there. Carry on with the video.
Ow! Ow!
The unreliability on the construction site, my friend.
Tom!
Door's gone. Tahnee's taking the curtains off. That's much better, isn't it? Oh, you still got a few over the other side.
Ah!
Do you want to do those ones?
Yeah, I guess I should.
Grab your drill, buddy. Pull it out and push the thing in at the same time. And then that's it, locked in. Nice. So we've got one of those little wardrobes out. I'm just looking down here. It's a good thing we're pulling it all out because I reckon that's a bit of water damage. The water's just sitting in this groove and it has nowhere to go. And you can see over there too, it's pretty bad.
Oh my god. Bit aggressive.
Thought that would make a good moment in the video.
And so this is what it looks like.
That's gross. They spray painted it.
Yeah, why?
Just rip it.
Just to rip it.
It's pretty solid.
Okay, what's the next plan? Yay! That wasn't so hard. Oh,
Righto, vibe. What are you gonna do next, vibe?
I can't take you seriously when you talk like that. Good job. Woohoo! Ooh. There's so much room now. I can't even touch both sides. Okay, so we're gonna explain our plans for Frankie. So obviously this is the bedroom. It will remain the same pretty much. Probably get some nice linen and make it pretty. We might take the air conditioner out and actually put this as a big window, one long window. So that's the bedroom, and then we're gonna have some storage underneath here because it's all this wasted space. So silly when you're living in such a small space. Okay, next. Over here will be the wardrobe. Here. So at the moment we've got this cute little thing, but it's gonna go. So don't get attached. We're gonna put the wardrobe hanging storage here, And then here we're going to have our little fridge, but it's also going to be a bench top at the same level as the kitchen here. So this is our kitchen. We'll have a sink. Is a sink going here?
Yeah, sink down the end. That's where the plumbing is already.
And then if we go over on this side, this is where the table will go for dining and working. And we're going to have 2 bench seats on either side that can also fold out and turn into another bed if we have guests. That's the plan. We have around about 6 months to do it until we're kind of planning on traveling around Australia if we can. Fingers crossed. We can do it.
I like the optimism. Thanks for watching. On next week's episode, we start ripping off the wall sheeting and find a bigger mold problem than we anticipated. Hope to see you then. Don't forget to subscribe down below and drop us a comment if you haven't already. Ciao for now.